everyone. My name is Brandon Carvalho. I'm part of the Rush Prime Rush Sports launch event here. I'm also part of the whole entity as a whole, helping branding it and providing support for it. And I'm excited to have Nile here from the Valkyries to be a part of the event. And to see how she could potentially contribute to Rush Prime in the future. There's a lot of great things happening for the channel. It's a full-on Caribbean entertainment network with big shows like things like Family Feud. The entire Hallmark library is on there. You have things like Jeopardy, Wheel of Fortune, a true super channel that's kind of being launched here, along with Rush Sports, which has a whole bunch of other sports properties on there like Champions League and Euro 2024 is going to be on there. So it's exciting times. So I just want to say thanks for joining. Thanks for coming.
Thank you very much for the invite as well, and I'm looking forward to see if the Valkyries can find a home here for a reality TV show. Big things coming, eh?
Yeah, hope so.
They're about to start the launch, so let's hear what they have to say.
Whoa. Yes. Yeah, you may clap, because it's the best sporting franchises and the best of primetime TV under one roof. The sports you love, the shows you love, one roof. Simple math.
Welcome, esteemed audience. I'm glad you could join us in this big unveiling. It's a big deal, and here's why. When you see something exciting going on, what do? You rush to it. When you see a great sport happening, what do? You rush to it. When you see something that's really prime, what do? You rush to it. The exciting thing about this is that the word rush is a verb, and it is so apt and so fitting to what we are launching today.
Good evening, everyone. And I'm not going to hype you up because you hyped me up when I entered with a question. George, you've gone crazy completely because every month you open new media assets in a region where everyone is just rioting. Interesting, yeah? And the second question what I received, what is an absolutely foreign word in the Caribbean? Rush. Do you know anyone who rushes in the Caribbean? Just relaxing, but I know, especially in Jamaica, they're rushing for the party. And the blood is rushing when it's party, yeah? So maybe we thought that you can do something before the party. We are very proud to be part of this partnership and this movement, what Sruta was talking about, because we still believe that you can provide legal, high quality content.
Thank you. Tonight marks the launch of a thrilling new chapter in our television landscape, the unveiling of the new and reimagined Rush channels. That's Rush Sports, Rush Sports 2, and Rush Prime. These channels are poised to redefine the sports and lifestyle TV experience in the Caribbean.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm there. Okay. Welcome, everybody. Thank you, Master of Ceremonies. I'd like to welcome everybody here this evening. We met Shruta, our chairperson, Georgie, who are the visionaries behind CPSL. And I'll talk about CPSL in a little while. But I'm grateful for their vision and their leadership that they've shown to me. I'd also like to welcome the teams from Flow, from Digicel, Sportsmax, Trend Media, who've been able to join us this evening. Regulatory bodies, other members of the media, paid companies, thank you all for attending and welcome to the Rush Experience. I hope you guys have been enjoying our decor. You'll notice there's quite a lot of purple in the Rush brand, in our logos, in our trademarks, our visual identity. And not many of you may know, but when you put blue and red together, you get purple, right? Okay, so, and that's a lot of the CPSL story. But enough of that. I won't talk anymore about colors. That's it. So, CPSL is a media company that was established in 2019 between Digicel and Flow with the mandate at the time to acquire and manage the rights for the Premier League in the Caribbean, which was successfully done under the then general manager Dominic Bobran, who I invited, is not feeling well, so his apologies for not attending. Under Dominic, the mandate of the company was expanded in 2022 with the goal of creating a media entity that would leverage the scale of the joint venture partners and develop content services that will be made available throughout the Caribbean through multiple means.
This was a very interesting experience. Who would have thought two giants, Digicel and Flow, came together and made one huge TV network? I can't wait for the Valkyries to be a part of this, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.